Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho Projects access from your Zoho account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Zoho Projects access from your Zoho account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Zoho Projects website. Log into your Zoho account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account Settings from the menu options. In the Account Settings page, look for the Linked Accounts or Integrations section. Click on Linked Accounts or Integrations to proceed. You will see a list of third-party applications compatible with Zoho. Find Zoho Projects in the list and click on it. Follow the prompts to begin the authorization process. You may be asked to grant specific permissions. Review the permissions carefully and click Authorize or Allow. Once authorized, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, return to the main Zoho Projects dashboard. You can now start managing your projects with the authorized access. Ensure all features are functioning correctly after the authorization. If you encounter any issues, revisit the Linked Accounts section to troubleshoot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.